I used to scrub the garage floor, my hands and my knees, and I don't know why I waited this long to get me one of these. So I needed something that could handle real floor scrubbing, not just pushing water around, but actually getting into surfaces that accumulate grime over time. And the garage floor, the patio, the shower, all surfaces that need serious bristle pressure to actually get clean. Well, this 2-in-1 caught my attention. It combined a stiff bristle scrub brush with a squeegee on the same head, which means you're scrubbing and clearing water in one tool rather than switching between two separate things every time you clean. It's a 55-inch adjustable handle. Handle length on the floor brush is something people underestimate until they're using one that's too short. At 55-inch, you're cleaning fully upright, no hunching, no leaning at an awkward angle. So yeah, it's got an adjustable design. It means you can dial it into your height specifically rather than working with whatever fixed length it came with. The handle feels sturdy in hand and doesn't flex or wobble when you're applying real downward pressure. And the stiff bristles are the workhorse here. On the garage floor where oil residue, dirt, grime build up over time, the bristle stiffness gets into the surface texture and pulls that stuff out in a way that a soft mop just cannot do. Pair that with some cleaning solution and the garage floor looked noticeably cleaner than it had in months of regular mopping. On the patio and deck, the same story. Outdoor surfaces accumulate algae, dirt, and the bristles are specifically what you need for that. Not a gentle scrub, but an actual aggressive clean that gets the surface looking fresh again. Then you got the squeaky side, becomes the main event after you scrub. Scrub the floor and walls with the bristle side, flip it and push all the water and loosen the grime toward the drain cleanly. No getting on your hands and knees to squeaky the floor. So yeah, it's a quick flip. The head has the bristles on one side and the squeaky blade on the other, so you just rotate the head to whichever side you need. And there's no detaching, no swapping parts, you just turn it over and keep going. It's a smooth transition. It's a big part of why the 2-in-1 design actually works in practice rather than being a gimmick, whereas switching modes slows you down more than it helps. So if you clean floors, patios, garages, or showers and you're still doing it the hard way, bent over, two separate tools, bad leverage, this fixes all that in one purchase. Stiff enough to actually clean, long enough to save your back, squeaky, built right in. This is a household staple. The first week you own it.
If you want to get your hands on this product, go ahead and click on the link in the description below. And hit that subscribe button and never miss a review.
If you want to see more products like this, click this video right here. I think you'll like it.